First of all, I was looking for solution with Excel Workday function that could handle holidays and working Saturdays and Sundays at same time. In following example, I'll show you how you can create your own custom function thanks to LAMBDA function for Excel. On timeline it is presented how many working days we have. We used Excel's standard Workday function with starting day, number of working days and defined holidays. By changing inputs, marker on timeline is changing too. If we exclude holidays, you can see changes in timeline. Next, we need to count how many working Saturdays and Sundays in defined period of time. For that, COUNTIFS function is perfect choice. First, we need to define array with predefined working Saturdays and Sundays, then it has to be less or equal to end day, defined by Excel's standard Workday function. Next, same array has to be greater or equal to starting day. If we change working Saturdays or Sundays in our list, you can see changes in calculated cell. Now we will write our LAMBDA function. We need following parameters: start day, number of working days, list of holidays, list of working weekends. As return calculation, we will write Workday function with parameters: start day as start day, days as number of working days minus calculated number of working Saturdays and Sundays, holidays as list of holidays. At the end of LAMBDA we just need to define all parameters. Next step is to create name for our custom function. First we need to copy LAMBDA function. Next, by typing Ctrl F3 we open Name Manager. Click New button, write name. My function name will be Workday Weekend. In refers to, we just have to paste our LAMBDA function and click OK button. Now, we are ready to use our custom-made function by typing its name and choosing its parameters. If we continue to experiment with input parameters, you can see how it affects our timeline. Pay attention on green and yellow markers. Thank you for your attention. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day.